Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator shelf in the Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator shelf. This refrigerator shelf is used for storage of the produce and pulls out for easier access. The main reason for the shelf to be replaced is if the glass or the railing is broken and the shelf would not stay in place. Open the fresh food door. To remove the old glass shelf, we need to just pull it out halfway, then slightly lift it up and remove it completely. This is the old refrigerator shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, we're going to install the new shelf in. Slide it in halfway, then the rear railing will catch. Then we can lift it up a little bit, push it in all the way. And then at this point, we're going to slide it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.